2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, security system, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.